You always find me here.
Time flies. We've grown up before we realize. I miss this dish so much. Do you feel the same way too? I need a few cloves of garlic and finely chop the onion too. Carrot. It is indeed an important ingredient. It brings to the natural sweetness to the sauce. Though the dish is called minced beef rice, we can actually use half beef and half pork. Literally, it is called soy sauce cuisine in Cantonese. Of course, we'll use light soy sauce as marination. Sugar and potato starch are needed too. Sprinkle with some ground pepper. Add water too and stir well. First, fry the onion, garlic, and carrot. Add the minced beef, then add tomato paste, ketchup, and light soy sauce again. These three are the critical ingredients of the sauce, and neither one should be missed. Frying thoroughly will further bring the flavor out. Add bay leaves. Then pour chicken broth or water. If you pour water, you need to add 2 teaspoons of chicken powder stock later on. It is not done yet. Indeed, this sauce needs to be braised. This is a very important step because it helps to intensify the taste of the sauce. If you are asked to simplify the process, there will be a wrong method as the taste will not be good. Turn to low heat and let it stew for an hour. Stir occasionally. The texture will become thickened after an hour's cooking. Add salt and sugar to taste. Since I add water for stewing previously, it is time to add the chicken powder stock now. Use a touch of flour liquid to further thicken the sauce at last. Can you recognize it? It is our long-lost taste, minced beef sauce. See the color and texture. Top with the sunny shine of it. This is the tasty minced beef sauce that we are familiar with. Next time when you miss the dish, you should know what to do. Since it is my favorite childhood dish, there are some secret techniques that I would like you to follow. First, you need to understand the core concept of the traditional soy sauce cuisine. Since the chefs have very limited access on import food ingredients during the old days, they need to fully utilize the sauce and ingredients on hand to recreate the taste of Western dishes by using soy sauce in old Hong Kong. This is the reasons why we use soy sauce, ketchup, or at most, the tomato paste together, but not using herbs, canned chopped tomato from Italy or USA, because it's not popular during the old days. Second, due to the following taste of dish from Wah Feng restaurant that I experienced in my childhood memory, I've added some green pea in the dish. If you do not have the green pea or you don't like the green pea, you can just skip it. However, if you want to add that, please don't use the frozen mixed vegetable cubes, since it does not match the taste of the dish and it will definitely waste all your hard work. The third important thing is the minced meat sauce needs to be braised. Onion, garlic, and carrot are the essential to make the sauce rich and sweet. The minced meat will also turn tender during the braise process. The juice of the meat will bring the flavor to the sauce at the same time too. I hope you could follow my recipe and instructions. I'm so happy that I accurately reproduced the taste of the dish. I hope I can share my happiness with you and hope I can bring the classic taste of old Hong Kong to all of you too.